Hi students, today we are going to learn the balance portion of our chapter, the climate of India. Climate of India. We all know that, which is the weather outside? Yes, we all know that it is rainy day. Okay, today we are going to learn the season, rainy season, rainy season. Rainy season. Rainy season. The rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Monsoon season. Okay. What is the weather outside? We all know that it's rainy. So the rains are on the basis of rainy. It is very cold. So we are like to going to sleep because very cold, very cold. So we all know that during rainy season or during monsoon season, during monsoon season or rainy season, it is very cold. Then, so do you know where to wear, from which month the rainy season or the monsoon season starts? In which month the rainy season or monsoon season starts? Yes, from June to September. In India the rainy season or the monsoon season starts from June and it lasts till in September. It starts from June to September. June to September. The rainy season starts from June and it ends at September. In which month it starts? June. And in which month the rainy season lasts? In September. So in the present, in which season we are live? We live in rainy season because which month is at present it is which month? Yes, we all know that is September. So the rainy season starts from June and it lasts in September. Okay. Then which are the seasons present? Which are the seasons? We know that what do you mean by season? Season is a part of the year. Season is part of the year when the weather conditions in an area remains similar with a short period of time. With a little variation. So that is called season. There are different seasons present in an year. These seasons repeat every year. It is like a cycle. It's continuous process. Okay. Then which seasons we studied in the last class? We learn about summer season. Today we are going to learn rainy season. The rainy season is also known as monsoon season in India. In which month it starts? It starts from June to September. And last till in September. Okay. Then in rainy season or monsoon seasons, then winds carrying a moisture. During this season, the wind are blowing during this season. The winds carrying moisture. Moisture blow from where to where? From Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land during this period. So we feel very cold during this season because the wind carrying during the rainy season or the monsoon season, the wind carrying during this season, the wind carrying moisture blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land during this season. So these winds, that type of moisture wind is called a monsoon wind. Moisture wind. monsoon winds, monsoon winds, monsoon winds, monsoon winds. Once again about a rainy season or monsoon winds. The rainy season is also known as monsoon winds. Then in India, the rainy season starts from June and it lasts in September. Then during the rainy season or monsoon season, the wind blowing, the moisture winds blowing from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land during this season. These winds are called monsoon winds. These winds are called what? Monsoon winds. Okay, all of you understood about monsoon wind? The moisture wind coming from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea towards the land. During which season? Monsoon season or rainy season. Monsoon season or rainy season. Okay. Then these winds also bring some dark clouds. Some dark clouds, rain clouds, and these monsoon winds bring dark rain clouds towards the land. It causes rainfall. It causes rainfall to all part of India. To all part of India. Okay, all of you understood? The monsoon winds. The monsoon winds bring dark rain clouds towards the land. It causes rainfall to all parts of India. Then rainfall is not equal in all parts of India. Rainfall is not equal in all parts of India. It varies from one place to another. It varies from one place to another. Then, do you know in which area have the highest rainfall? Yes, in Meghalaya. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall throughout a year. Highest rainfall in India. Highest rainfall in India. Where is the highest rainfall in India? Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Mawsynram in where? Meghalaya. Mawsynram in Meghalaya gets the highest rainfall in India. The Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. It is the wet place. It is the wettest place in the world. The Mawsynram is the wettest place. Wettest place in the world. Wettest place in the world. Mawsynram in Meghalaya is the wettest place in the world. Wettest place in the world. Okay, all of you understood? Where is the highest rainfall receives? Yes, Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. Highest rainfall in India. The Mawsynram is the wettest place in the world. Mawsynram is the wettest place in the world. Then it also rains in these areas. It also rains heavily in the hills. In Mawsynram, the heavy rainfalls occurs in hills, coastal and northeastern regions of the Mawsynram. Northeastern regions of the Mawsynram. Okay. Then once again about rainy season and monsoon season. Then rainy season rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Then it is one of the seasons going in our in India, in our country. Then in which months the rainy season starts? During June. Then it lasts in September. Then during this season, a moisture wind blowing from Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land during the rainy season. So that winds are called monsoon winds. Then these monsoon winds bring some dark rain clouds towards the land. It causes high rainfall in all parts of India. Okay, then the rainfall is not equal in all parts of India. Rainfall is not equal in all parts of India. The highest rainfall receives in Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Highest rainfall receives Mawsynram in Meghalaya. The Mawsynram is the wettest place in the world. Mawsynram is the wettest place in the world. Mawsynram is the wettest place in the world. Then it also rains heavily in hill stations, then coastal areas and northeastern regions. Then in Coromandel Coast, in that region, the highest rainfall receives during the months from November to December. In Coromandel Coast, the rainfall coming in December to November. Rainfall coming from December to November. In Coromandel Coast, the rainfall comes from, during which month the rainfall comes from November to December. All of you understood? In Coromandel Coast, the rainfall in the months of November and December. But in India, the monsoon season or the rainy season starts from June and lasts in September. Okay, all of you understood about it? Okay. Then rainfall is always help. Rainfall is not helpful always, because the high rainfall can cause flood. High rainfall can cause what? Flood. High rainfall can cause flood. Okay. Then the high rainfall cause flood. High rainfall cause flood. That means flood means an overflow, a high amount of water onto land, onto dry land areas due to heavy rainfall is called flood. What do you mean by flood? Flood means an overflow of water onto dry land areas due to rainfall is called flood. What do you mean by flood? An overflow of water, lots of water flowing onto a dry land areas due to what? Due to high rainfall is called flood. Then what do you mean by drought? Drought means no rainfall. Drought means shortage of water due to a long period of time, no rainfall cause what? Drought. No rainfall cause drought. What do you mean by drought? No rainfall cause drought. That means shortage of water due to a long period of no rainfall or little rainfall that cause drought. That is called drought. Then what do you mean by flood? An overflow of water onto a dry land areas due to rainfall is called flood. What do you mean by drought? Shortage of water over a long period of no rainfall is called drought. In which area receives the highest rainfall in India? Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Which is the wettest place in the world? Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Then in which months the Coromandel Coast causes rainfall? November to December. All of you understood about this? Okay. Next we are going to the next topic. Next season, winter. winter. Okay. Then the winter season begins in India from November and continues till February. The winter season starts from November and it continues till to February. Okay, all of you understood? The winter season starts from November and it continues till February. In India. Okay. Then the coldest month of the year. In a year we know that there are 12 months. Which are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, these 12 months starts a year. These 12 months forms a year. Okay, then in an year, which is the coldest month? The coldest months of the year are December and January. Coldest months in a year are December and January. Okay, all of you understood? The winter season starts from which month? November, and it continues till February in India. Which is the coldest? During winter season we know that the weather is very cold. So, which is the coldest month in the year? December and January. During winter season, the days are short. The days are short. The nights are longer. During winter season, days are short and nights are long. Nights are longer. Okay, what if you understood? During winter season, day is short. The duration of day is very short than the duration of nights. The night is very longer. Okay. Then in India, during winter season, it is very cold. During winter season, the weather is very cold. Okay. Next step. Then the northern mountains and the northern plains are cold. During winter season, the northern mountains and the northern plains are cold, but the coastal plains have a pleasant weather during the winter season. The northern mountains and the northern plains are cold during winter season, but the coastal plains have a pleasant weather during this season. Then the coastal plains and also the deserts have a pleasant days, but the weather is very cold during this season. Then and once again about winter season in northern plains and northern mountains. The northern mountains and the northern plains are cold during which season? Winter season. And also the coastal plains and the desert are pleasant weather during winter season. Then the western disturbances are occurred during this season. The western disturbances are occurred during winter season. The western disturbances during these months cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Western disturbance. Western disturbance occur in this winter season, and this western disturbance causes rainfall in the mountains and rainfall in the plains and snowfall. Rainfall in where? Rainfall in plains, snowfall in mountains, snowfall in mountains. Okay, once again about winter season. The winter season starts in India November and it continues till February. It is the coldest months in a year, December and January. Then during this December and January, during this season, during winter season, days are short and nights are longer. Then in the northern mountains and the northern plains are cold during this season, and also in coastal plains and deserts have pleasant weather during this season. Then also in winter season, western disturbances is occurred. Due to western disturbances, rainfall causes in plains and snowfall causes in mountains. Rainfall in plains and snowfall in mountains occurred on the basis of western disturbances during winter season. Okay, next step. Then during these months, during November, February months, in Tamil Nadu receives rainfall during winter season. During these months, in Tamil Nadu receives rainfall during these months. Tamil Nadu receives rainfall during winter season or rainfall during these months, November, February, December, January months. Okay, what have you understood about winter season? Okay, once again about winter season. Winter is one of the season in a year. Then it starts from November and it continues till November, December, January, February. Then it is the coldest months in the year, December and January. The months in between November and February, that is December and January, is the coldest month in the year. And during this winter season, the days are very short and the nights are longer. Then during this season, a pleasant weather is occur. Weather forms in the coastal plains and the desert. These regions, the weather is very cold. And also the coldest weather is present in the northern mountains and the northern plains during this season. Okay, next, during this season, western disturbances is occurred on the basis the western disturbances causes rainfall in plains and snowfall in mountains. And also during these months, the Tamil Nadu receives rainfall. All of you understood? Okay, next season. We are going to the next season, spring. Next season, spring. Spring. This spring season is coming from which season? The wind season coming after winter season. Spring season coming after winter season. Then it is neither too hot. During this season, the weather is neither too hot or nor too cold in the month. In the spring season, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold in this season. Okay, then many plants and trees get new leaves. During the spring season. Okay, then flowers also blossom on plants and trees. During spring season, the spring coming after winter season. Then the weather is too hot, neither too hot nor too cold during this season. During this and also in this season, then new leaves comes in plants and trees. New leaves comes in plants and trees, and also flowers also blossom in plants and trees during this season. Okay, next season, all of you understood about spring season. Spring season coming after winter season. Then the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Neither too hot nor too cold in the spring season. And also new leaves comes in plants. New leaves comes in plants and trees. Flowers blossoms in plants and trees. Flowers blossoms in blooms. Flowers bloom. Flowers bloom in plants and trees. Plants and trees during this time, during the spring season. Once again we got spring season. The spring season coming after winter season. Then the weather is neither too hot nor too cold during spring season. During spring season, new leaves comes in plants and trees, and also flowers blooms in plants and trees during spring season. Next we move on to the next season, autumn season. Autumn is a season that comes after the spring season, comes after the rainy season, just before the winter season. The weather is very cool. The autumn season comes after the rainy season, and also just before on the winter season. The weather is cool and pleasant in the autumn season. Many trees shed their leaves during this time of the year, during the time of autumn. Okay, once again, the autumn season coming after which season? Coming after winter, and just before then coming after rainy season, and just before rainy season, and just before winter. Just before winter. Okay. The autumn season coming after rainy season, and the rainy season comes after the rainy season, and just before on the onset of winters. Then during this season, the weather is cool. Weather is cool and pleasant. Weather is cool and pleasant during autumn season. During autumn season, the weather is cool and pleasant. During autumn season, the weather is cool and pleasant. Then during this season, many trees and plants shed their leaves. Many trees and plants shed their leaves. During autumn season. Autumn season coming after rainy season, and comes. Okay, all of you understand about the seasons present in the year and in India. Okay. Next, what all things our lesson is over. Then what all things we learn in this lesson? We learn about climate and weather. We learn about the difference between the climate and the weather. What do you mean by climate? The general weather condition. Climate means climate. Climate means climate and weather. Climate and weather. Climate means the general weather condition of a place. Weather condition of a place. Climate means general weather. General weather. Weather condition of a place. We know that the general weather weather condition of a place is referred to as climate. Then the climate is fixed. Climate is fixed over a long period of time. Fixed. Then the various weather. Weather means, what do you mean by weather? Weather means the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a given time is called weather. Condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere at a given place. Condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the at a given condition of the atmosphere at a place in a given time. Time is referred to as weather. Time is referred to as weather. Okay. These are difference between climate and weather. The weather is not fixed. It changes from day to day. Okay. Then what we learned? We learned about the factors that affect the climate and the weather. Climate and the weather. The factors that affect the weather are temperature, rain, cloud, wind, moisture, then air pressure, etc. are the factors that affect the weather. Then the factors that affect the climate, the distance from the equator, then the height from the sea level, then how far away it is from the sea level. How far away it is from the sea level. These are the factors that affect the climate. Then what we learn? We learn about what are seasons. Season is a part of the year when the weather condition in an area remains similar with a little variation. Different seasons are present: summer, monsoon, winter, spring, autumn. Winter, spring and autumn season. Then these are things we learn in this lesson. Okay. Then next we move on to the exercise portion. Choose the correct answer. Which place in India gets the heaviest rainfall? Mausindra. Which place in India gets the heaviest rainfall? Mausindra. What affects the weather of a place? Sun, stars, moon, none of these. What affects the weather of a place? Wind, cloud, air pressure, rain, temperature. What makes the coastal areas relatively cooler in summers? Sea breeze. The rainy season in India is also called the dash. The rainy season in India is also called the monsoon. Then, which areas in India have a pleasant weather during winters? Coastal areas. Then, fill in the blanks using words given in the help box. First one, the farther a place is from the dash, the colder it will be. Equator. Then, the dash season lasts from November to monsoon season. Sorry, winter season. Next, moisture filled winds that bring rain to India are called the dash winds, monsoon winds. The hot and dry wind that blows during summers is called low. The dash is the condition of the atmosphere in a place at a given time is weather. The weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a place at a given time. Next, answer the following questions. What is the difference between weather and climate? What is the difference between weather and climate? The general weather means the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a given time is called weather. What is climate? The general weather condition of a place is referred to as its climate. Then second question, during which months does the summer season come in India? March, April. It starts from March, April and continues till May, June. What is the effect of the western disturbance? It causes rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. What do you understand by the term Lu? What do you understand by the term Lu? The hot and dry winds coming from blows during summers is called Lu. What is mean by drought and flood? What do you mean by drought and flood? Flood means the overflow of water onto the dryland areas due to rainfall is called a flood. What do you mean by drought? The shortage of water. The shortage of water over a long period due to no rainfall or little rainfall is called a drought. Then our chapter is over. So let's wind up the class. Then all of you read your text more and more times. Then write the notes in your SS notebook. After writing the notes, take a photo and send it to me. Okay, thank you.